Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear sisters, welcome to Nur Qaida, your space for halal, nourishment, wellness, and balanced living rooted in faith. Today, we'll talk about nutrition and how it forms the foundation of a healthy Muslim lifestyle. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or just starting your health journey, this is for you, inshallah. Nutrition means eating the right foods in the right amounts to help your function at physically, mentally, and spiritually. We have nutrients such as macronutrients, which include carbs, which are like whole grains, oats, sweet potatoes, and also we have proteins, which are like eggs, chicken, beans, lentils. Also, it is important for fats to include fats actually like olive oil, avocado, nuts. We also have micronutrients which include iron, calcium, vitamin D, zinc, B12, all vital for energy and mood and immunity. Water is used for dehydration. Hydration is sunnah and essential. The Prophet Muhammad wasallam used to drink in 3 sips seated and raised moderation. Let's be real. Life is busy, but here are 3 mistakes we should avoid: skipping meals, especially breakfast, overeating at iftar, or consuming processed sugary foods too often. The Son of Man does not fill a vessel worse than his stomach. That's a hadith. Let's aim for balance and not perfection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.